Connecting a large language model directly to the unstructured internet with all of its unstructured data frequently leads to absolute system failure. Traditional web scraping frameworks were engineered for the Web 2.0 era, relying on explicit DOM queries to extract specific data points into rigid JSON structures or raw HTML dumps meant for relational databases. Feeding raw, unrefined DOM payloads, laden with inline CSS, navigational boilerplate, and tracking scripts, directly into an LLM context window introduces overwhelming noise. This mismatch results in rapid token exhaustion, inflated third-party inference costs, and significant processing latency. Injecting this unrefined data triggers the lost-in-the-middle phenomenon, where excessive noise degrades the model's attention mechanisms and obscures the actual semantic payload. Crawl4AI serves as a specialized infrastructural response to this token exhaustion problem. Its primary directive is transforming chaotic, dynamic HTML footprints into strictly typed, token-optimized formats. This process generates fit Markdown, a mathematically pruned version of the page that preserves only the core semantic data. Unlike basic extraction utilities, the framework functions as an intelligent noise reduction pipeline. Formatting unstructured web content into these LLM-ready structures is the mandatory foundational step to bridging live human knowledge with artificial reasoning systems. The system's foundation is a highly concurrent engine built on Python's Async I/O framework and the Playwright browser automation library. This asynchronous architecture multiplexes multiple isolated browser contexts over a single event loop to bypass the network and rendering bottlenecks typical of traditional scrapers. To manage high-volume operations, the system enforces strict architectural decoupling. The browser config object governs persistent environment variables, headless modes, proxy routing, and stealth runtimes. Conversely, the crawler run config dictates the tactical approach for specific URLs, controlling localized caching, media handling, and extraction strategy. Decoupling the physical browser lifecycle from request-specific parsing logic allows engineers to maintain persistent, optimized browser pools while iterating rapidly through diverse URL targets. Web pages are designed for human visual consumption, not semantic density, which makes structural boilerplate a liability for AI models. The pruning content filter serves as the primary engine for generating the optimal fit Markdown payload. It operates by traversing the DOM tree and calculating the mathematical ratio of visible text characters to HTML markup tags within specific nodes. Any node falling below a configurable text density threshold is classified as boilerplate and eradicated from the final document. For massive documents like SEC filings, Crawl4AI utilizes the BM25 algorithm for targeted localized extraction. BM25 uses term frequency and inverse document frequency to score discrete chunks of the web page against a user-defined query. The algorithm applies a nonlinear saturation function, rewarding specific term concentration while penalizing ubiquitous terms that appear across the entire document. Heuristic pruning and BM25 targeting isolate the core factual matrix of a page, ensuring only a fraction of the original data is transmitted to expensive LLM endpoints. While Markdown is ideal for vector databases, many enterprise applications require data extracted into strictly typed, validated JSON schemas. The first paradigm for achieving this is deterministic extraction, utilizing the JSON CSS extraction strategy. This requires a developer to map target output fields to precise CSS selectors or XPath queries within the DOM structure. These deterministic strategies execute with minimal computational latency and zero API cost, but they are brittle to front-end UI updates that change underlying class names. The alternative is probabilistic extraction via the LLM extraction strategy, which shifts the operational burden from structural traversal to semantic reasoning. By providing a natural language instruction and a pedantic model schema, the LLM identifies requested entities regardless of their structural placement, returning valid JSON objects. The framework supports local open-weight models via Llama, allowing for fully offline execution that eliminates API costs and ensures data privacy for sensitive internal documents. Data engineers must balance the computational efficiency of deterministic selectors against the immense structural resilience offered by probabilistic parsing. Single-page applications and highly complex authentication flows make simple HTTP GET requests insufficient for modern data extraction. Crawl4AI utilizes an event-driven architecture with asynchronous lifecycle hooks to control the browser at precise micro-moments. Custom functions injected at these triggers allow engineers to manipulate local storage, inject JWT tokens, or block heavy media routes to preserve bandwidth. This capability enables identity-based crawling, which provides access to high-value data secured behind single sign-on gateways or enterprise portals. By assigning a persistent session ID, the crawler maintains the browser state across multiple independent executions, allowing for seamless traversal of restricted domains without re-triggering login sequences. Mastering these lifecycle micro-moments is required for transforming a basic crawler into an auditor capable of penetrating complex enterprise environments. Choosing the appropriate infrastructure requires an objective evaluation of the competitive landscape, specifically the dichotomy between self-hosted and managed platforms. Empirical benchmarks tested these tools across a 1,000 URL corpus, including static HTML, heavy JavaScript applications, and strictly protected domains. Managed, Rust-based engines like Spire achieve significantly higher throughput than Crawl4AI, largely due to Python's global interpreter lock and the overhead of managing Playwright browser lifecycles. The Evasion success rates show a notable disparity. Spider and Firecrawl maintained high success rates against enterprise web application firewalls, while Crawl4AI's performance dropped to 72%. This data reflects Crawl4AI's default, out-of-the-box state, compared to the managed proxy rotation pools integrated in SaaS services. While technically capable of evasion, the framework offloads the operational burden of procuring and configuring residential proxies directly to the user. Pure open-source deployments trade predictable out-of-the-box evasion for absolute developer sovereignty and the ability to scale upon local hardware. The framework functions as an embedded data ingestion component within larger reasoning ecosystems. It integrates with orchestration frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index through custom loaders, feeding refined Markdown into retrieval-augmented generation databases. This interoperability extends to the emerging Model Context Protocol, which standardizes how applications provide contextual data to LLMs. An MCP-compliant server systematically registers scraping and Markdown generation functions directly into an LLM's native capability registry. Within an AI-native IDE, an agent that recognizes a gap in its training data can autonomously invoke these registered tools to retrieve live context from the web. The project roadmap transitions towards agentic discovery by integrating search interfaces for autonomous URL discovery and visual recognition models. These tools allow the crawler to interpret complex user goals and navigate interactive UIs without relying solely on static HTML structure. The ultimate enterprise value proposition remains zero marginal cost scaling and locally hosted extraction logic that never transmits sensitive queries to third-party APIs. By combining heuristic noise reduction with open agentic protocols, Crawl4AI serves as a foundational pillar for private intelligence pipelines, enabling LLMs to safely and effectively read the live web.